Hey, my name is Thomas and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert HTML to Word documents in N8N using LibreOffice. This is a short but simple and effective guide and I hope it's going to be useful to you. So let's get started. So first off, and this is a preliminary step, you have to have N8N installed on your device. This has to be a self-hosted version, so either via the local host or via a VPS, and that's all because you have to use a terminal. So on my Mac, let's type in terminal. And what you then have to do is type brew install --cask LibreOffice. Now this would normally download LibreOffice, but in my case I already had it, so it said not upgrading. That's basically all you have to do on Mac, and on Windows you have to type in this command. And then you also need to add LibreOffice to your path, so it's accessible to N8N. So then after, as a second step in N8N, you have to go to execute command, which you can find by just typing execute command here. Clicking on it and then typing suffice --version and then clicking execute command execute step, which will say std out LibreOffice and then the version number. If you see a version number like this, it's correct. Then what you need to do is go back to what it said here and then type headless no restore convert to docs Word 2007 XML, and this is the directory where it's going to output it, and this is where it's going to look for the file that you want to convert. So for me it was in here in Finder. I can find it here. Let's see, it was here form offerte, and then you can see here the path underneath it, which is exactly that. So if I click execute command here, it will convert it, and you will know for certain if it has converted if you see the arrow here basically saying it converted it from this to this. Then what you need to do after is add a read files from disk node, where it will say file selector, and then you have to type the exact path that you used for the HTML, but instead of HTML you type docs here. And then click execute step and download it. And for me the original file didn't have a nice layout, so it looks kind of bad here, but this is what it should give as an output. So this was the entire video. I hope it was useful to you, and if it was, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!